हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Leave granted. Para. This appeal has been filed against the judgment dated 16/2/2018 of the High Court of Patna, dismissing the application of the appellants filed under Section 482 CRPC for setting aside the order dated 30/4/2016 passed by the Judicial Magistrate Nevada in Rajouri, excise case number 316 of 2016, by which he has taken cognizance of the offence punishable under section 53 in bracket A bracket out of the Bihar Excise in bracket Amendment Act 2016 full stop. The appellants aggrieved by the order of the High Court have come up in this appeal full stop para. Brief facts of the case necessary to be noticed for deciding this appeal are colon para. The appellants, all Rotarians, were travelling from Jharkhand to Patna, Bihar to attend a meeting of Rotary Club on 25/6/2016 full stop. The appellants were travelling by vehicle number JH 11K/8146 full stop. The vehicle was stopped for routine checkup at Rajouri check post, district Navada, state of Bihar, by one Sachidanand Bharti, sub inspector excise full stop. Nothing incriminating nor any liquor was found in the vehicle in which appellants were travelling full stop. The appellants were subjected to breath analyzer test, in which test, as per the prosecution case, certain quantity of alcohol was found full stop. The appellants were arrested and remained in custody for 2 days full stop. First information report was lodged on 25/6/2016, on which excise case number 316 of 2016 was registered full stop. The Chief Judicial Magistrate Nevada took cognizance by order dated 30/7/2016 full stop. The appellants filed application under section 482 CRPC praying for setting aside the order dated 30/7/2016 passed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate, taking cognizance full stop. The High Court, wide its order dated 16/2/2018, dismissed the application under section 482 CRPC, aggrieved by which order this appeal has been filed full stop para. We have heard learned counsel for the appellants as well as Shri Shivam Singh appearing for the state of Bihar full stop para. Learned counsel for the appellants submits that no offence was made out under section 53 in bracket A bracket out of the Bihar Excise in bracket Amendment Act 2016 full stop. The Chief Judicial Magistrate committed an error in taking cognizance of the offence full stop. It is submitted that the appellants were travelling in their vehicle from state of Jharkhand to Patna, state of Bihar, to attend a Rotary Club meeting full stop. The vehicle in which they were travelling cannot be said to be public place within the meaning of section 2 in bracket 7A bracket out of Bihar Excise in bracket Amendment bracket out Act 2016 full stop. Further ingredient of section 53 in bracket A bracket out regarding consumption of liquor in a public place is not satisfied full stop. It is further submitted that in the search no liquor bottles or any other incriminating materials were found, which is also mentioned in the report full stop. Hence, ingredient of offence that liquor is consumed is not satisfied full stop para. Learned counsel for the appellants has referred to provision of section 2 in bracket 54 bracket out. हो गया है, ठीक है। हाँ, ये 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का है फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ। इस बार हमने क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन पहले कर दिया, थोड़ा चेंज होना चाहिए ना। हाथ को लिखने की आदत हो जाती है कि अभी तो सिविल आने वाला है, फिर क्रिमिनल आएगा, टफ बाद में इजी पहले, तो इसलिए अचानक से हमने आज क्रिमिनल कर दिया पहले, ठीक है। बताइएगा कमेंट करके। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए और वो लाइक शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। और सजेशंस वगैरह देते रहिएगा। 2 मिनट बाद चालू करेंगे सिविल मैटर। तब तक हाथों को रेस्ट दे दीजिए। और इसमें नेवादा नाम आया था, ठीक है। नेवादा को या तो पूरा बना लीजिए अबव द लाइन एन और वे और डी, ठीक है, या तो डाउनवर्ड, ये डाउनवर्ड कह रहे हैं, वी का स्ट्रोक बना दीजिए नेवादा, डबल डैश जरूर लगा दिया अगर ये नाम वाम के आगे, ठीक है। और क्या है, एक नाम था इसमें लेकिन उसको हमने कैंसिल कर दिया था, वो नाम थोड़ा टफ था, गिरिडीह नाम था, ठीक है। आप लगा दीजिएगा, इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, गिरिडीह हमने बता दिया है, ताकि इससे टफ से टफ नाम की कोशिश किया करिए। 2-2 लाइन, 5-5, 6-6 नाम जो भी आए मैटर में, उसको डेली प्रैक्टिस करते चलिए, नाम पे कमांड आ जाएगी। सच्चिदानंद भारती भी था इसमें, ठीक है। सच्चिदानंद के लिए आप क्या करिए, सर्किल बना के 6 हाफ कर दीजिए, इसमें ये हो जाएगा पूरा सच्चिदा, ठीक है। और नंद के लिए एन डी बना दीजिए, 2 बार एन, या फिर ज़्यादा शॉर्ट हो जाएगा, दिक्कत हो जाएगी, समझ में नहीं आएगा, ऐसे ही कर लीजिए। चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं डिक्टेशन 10 सेकेंड के बाद। सिविल मैटर, स्टार्ट। A division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad dismissed by its judgment dated 2nd February 2018 a writ petition instituted by the appellant under Article 226 of the Constitution, full stop. By his petition, the appellant sought a mandamus for his continuance in service as professor and head of the Department of Cardiology of the LPS Institute of Cardiology in GSVM Medical College Kanpur until he attained the age of 65, full stop. He claimed this relief on the basis of a notification dated 6th February 2015 of the government of Uttar Pradesh extending the age of retirement from 60 to 65 years, full stop. The appellant had, before the issuance of the above government notification, attained the age of superannuation of 60 years on 13th August 2014, full stop. But in terms of a government decision dated 19th November 2012, he had been granted a session benefit of an extension of service up to 30th June 2015, full stop. Based on this extension, the appellant's case is that he is entitled to the extension in the age of retirement which has been brought about by the notification dated 6th February 2015, full stop. This claim has been repelled by the judgment and order of the Allahabad High Court, which is questioned in appeal, full stop, para. On 1st April 1992, the UP fundamental rules were notified under section 241 in bracket 2 bracket out in bracket B bracket out of the Government of India Act 1935, full stop. Rule 56 provides that para quote, except as otherwise provided in this rule, every government servant shall retire from service on the afternoon of the last day of the month in which he attains the age of 60 years, para provided, D quote, para. On 21st December 1990, the Uttar Pradesh State Medical Colleges Teachers Service Rules 1990 were notified by the Governor in exercise of powers conferred by the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution, full stop. Rule 9 prescribed a maximum age for recruitment in medical colleges by direct recruitment, full stop. For professors, it was 45 years, full stop. Among other things, The rules made a provision for constitution of cadres in part 2nd, recruitment in part 3rd, qualifications for appointment in part 4th, procedure for recruitment in part 5th, and provisions for pay related matters in part 6th, full stop. The rules did not prescribe the age of retirement, full stop, but Rule 26 contained the following stipulation: para quote, regulation of other matters in regard to the matters not specifically provided in these rules or in special orders, persons appointed to the service shall be governed by the rules, regulations and orders applicable generally to government servants in connection with the affairs of the state, D quote, full stop, para. By virtue of Rule 26, the age of retirement of professors in medical colleges was governed by Rule 56 of the Fundamental Rules, which stipulated it as 60 years, full stop, para. On 16th March 2005, the Medical Council of India Minimum Qualifications for Teachers in Medical Institutions Regulations, full stop, over. तो हो गया है दोस्तों, ये 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में, फ्लक्चुएशन भी है। और देखिए पार्ट 4, 2nd, 3rd, 4th ये सब जब भी आए ये सब, तो क्या करिए ना कि इसको रोमन में लिखा करिए, ठीक। 4th, 5th, 6th कभी भी आता है तो उसको नंबर में कम, रोमन में ज़्यादा लिखा जाता है, ठीक है। अब जैसे जज 2nd आया, या फिर मतलब डेजिग्नेशन के साथ कुछ भी अगर 4th या 5th इस टाइप से आता है तो वो रोमन में होता है, और पार्ट हमेशा रोमन में होता है। और ऑर्डर भी हमेशा रोमन में होता है, जैसे ऑर्डर 7th या ऑर्डर 11th इस टाइप से होता है ना, 22nd या 23rd, वो भी रोमन में होता है। और जो रूल होता है वो नंबर्स में होता है, ठीक है। रूल कभी भी रोमन में नहीं होता है। जैसे रूल वगैरह कुछ आता है ना, ऑर्डर 10, रूल 11, या फिर रूल फलाने ढिमाके जो भी आता है, और जो भी आएगा तो हम बताते रहेंगे, ठीक है। जैसे सब सेक्शन वगैरह हमेशा ब्रैकेट में होता है, ठीक है ना। सेक्शन हमेशा ब्रैकेट के बाहर होता है, लेकिन सब सेक्शन ब्रैकेट के अंदर होता है। अगर डिक्टेट किया गया है तब तो ठीक है, नहीं डिक्टेट किया गया है तो आप अंडरस्टूड मान के चलिए कि इसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखना है। चलिए फिर चलते हैं, अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे।